Hey friends, welcome to Dawn of Cooking. In this week's video, we'll be making vegan macaroni and cheese. But also, I've got a surprise. We'll also be making regular, easy stovetop macaroni and cheese, and it's non-vegan. Follow the link in the description box below this video and you can get the full recipes on my blog. So let's get cooking! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Happy cooking!